Hey guys, so Rylee wants to see my sister's fidget and my fidget, so yeah. I think she said my sister, so yeah. First is this. It's actually feeling very good. And next is this this bad pop tube. And next is a shiny card. And next is this wacky track. And Rylee, can you bring your fidgets tomorrow at school, please? And yeah, it's good. And this, I have one of these. If you want to offer, then yeah. They're actually cool. And this dimple is actually good. If you want to see how high is my puppet, there it is. So yeah. And then I got this from Alayna's area. This. Like this emoji. It's like a flat egg or something. And my cousin's ball. We sometimes we take her stuff, but she just moved out of our place and we barely even see her now. And yeah, and then this cool thing, but it's kind of a little bit broke because of here. Don't you see it? See a hole? My shoes. And this cute emoji, a tiger emoji. And that's what Alayna got from her teacher. Alayna. But if it's this way, then it's say Anyala. And next, have you seen these little guys before? They're fidgets, and they're actually very cool to do it because you can do any move like slap. Ooh, that's disgusting. And you're like, hi. If you want to see it tomorrow at school, then I can bring it. And next one, the green one, is the same thing as, where's that? As this blue one. If you want to feel it at school, then yeah, you can. These are 2 broken Pops tubes. And they're kind of actually good. Even though they're easy though, but Brogan gave this to Alayna. She did a battle. And last one is this part of, I forgot what these called. But this is her giant poppet too. And I'm gonna find a good one. That's if we make a line of it, then how will we put it? Good side. So this is what it looks like together. It looks like a game. It kind of actually fits myself. Kinda. I'm short. But my feet stick out and my head stick out. That's what I do. But those are Alayna's stuff. But she has some in her book bag. This one is actually cool. And this little poppet. And she has some inside of her box. I'm going to try to put it open. She got neat and stopped taking this one. She likes this so far. And I got it from Sam, but it's mine. Don't say like, oh, it's Alayna. But it's mine. I actually traded it for a good poppet and a dimple spinner. And that's actually good. And now this. Want to hear the good side? I like the good side. There. Alayna's just puked 2 times today, but she's fine, guys. She won't make videos that much, but I think I'm going to do a lot of videos today. This, and she has this ladybug dimple. Oh, this is my favorite poppet, a little poppet. This is from Lexi. Oh, it's so good, not gonna lie. Cause you wanna hear the good side? Like, it's actually good, not gonna lie. It's actually cool, not like that. And this fine smiley face dimple thing, see? It has like a smiley face there. See, you can see smiley face. There's some winkies and stuff. And she has my puppet again. I trade this to her. It's like ripped from Sam. I like this butterfly dimple, and it's Alayna's. And Rylee, if you want to trade for it, then yeah, you can. But you gotta watch the whole video, Rylee, because it's gonna be a surprise for you at the end, Rylee. Guys, if you don't know Rylee, she's my friend. And I like this one and the green one. Like so cool. Now, 2 and that. So, see you guys later. Bye. But, Rylee, I'm gonna, show you my cats. That's kind of probably. This is Ginger. She's so cute. And this is White Kitty. And where's Oreo? Oreo, where are you? Rylee needs to see you. Not in the litter box. There's Oreo. So cute. Yes, let me just turn on the light because it's hard. This is Oreo, Rylee. So cute. And he's actually fluffy and fat. This is Lucy. And this is the worst dog in the world, Loki, because he chews stuff, and he chewed my homework stuff. Remember, Rylee? He chewed up my little house in the big woods. Hi, Kitty. You know what's mine? It's Ginger. He has a cute collar, his blue one. And he has a dead fish collar. So cute. So, yeah. My bed is complete dirty, but I think Alayna's bed is more better than mine. Oh, better watch it, buddy.